again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we came here for a photo shoot. It was made sudden plan, so we never thought that we will be doing a photo shoot today, but we came here for doing a photo shoot. As you can see, the place so much beautiful and the sun is shining so brightly. Wow, can you see that? It's so much beautiful. I really loved it. And guys, if you are still not subscribing yet to my channel, just subscribe it and don't forget to click on the side bell icon and also share with your friends. So keep watching, and if you like my videos, give a thumbs up and don't forget to watch my latest video. So keep watching.
A few moments later.
Hey everyone, so finally sung photo shoot khabai ka te sung tabu iko rest khai tong layo kolom suka ekdom sanjabung kha satung to pai kha sung tabu rest khai tong ho kolom suka kai leveling kha iko kheto asuk tong layo mor khai video khai tong layo video and mo bo phone thung tong ho Lengzak suka bobo. Marke kolam kha, but enjoy berkaya photo shoot bo. Chalai kang ke ba. So, nong nai tong di.
Yeah, you got that young